Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to our final day maths. Today we've got an arithmetic starter, which is a test, and then we're looking at money, and we're looking at one more and one less. So you're going to need whiteboards and whiteboard pens, and you may want to have some coins to help you with the main part of the lesson. So once you've got that all ready, then we'll get started. Okay, so today you're going to have a go at doing this arithmetic test. Now, you can use whatever equipment you want, tens and ones, numbered beads, a ruler, a number line, a number square, counters, cubes, whatever you need to help you to solve the addition sums that look like this, the adding, where the number gets bigger, and the subtraction sums that look like this, where the answer will get smaller. So, when you're ready, start the video again, but in the meantime, grown-ups, pause the video while your child has a go at as much as possible of these. And again, as usual, spend maybe about 10 minutes on it. No more than that. Okay. Okay, so welcome back. I'm going to go through the answers now. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 3 plus 3 makes 6. And grown-ups, pause the video if I go too quickly. 5 minus 2 makes 3. 4 plus 4 makes 8. 10 minus 5 makes 5. 6 plus 6 makes 12. 12 minus 7 makes 5. 15 less 8 makes 7. 20 minus 9 makes 11. And 10 minus something makes 6. So that something is 4. Now 15 minus 6 makes 9. 6 plus 14, 6 add 14 makes 20. And 13 add 7 also makes 20, because these are number bonds to 20. Then 10 minus 6, doesn't matter, it's the other way around, makes 4. 12 plus 0, well, we're adding nothing to 12, so it's still 12. 7 plus 7 makes 14. What do you add to 10? What do you add to 3 to get to 10? 7. And if you've got 16 and you take nothing away, you're still going to have 16. And then what do you add to 4 to get to 15? 11. And our last one, 15 take away 0, makes 15. Brilliant. I wonder how you did with that. I'm sure you did fabulous. Okay, now we've got a recap of what each of these different coins represent. So we're going to start in the middle today. What's underneath here? That's right, that's the £2. And now we're going to start here. What's this one? That's right, that's the pound. Now we're going for the next smallest coin. That's right, that's the 50p. And then the next smallest coin again. Can you remember what that is? Not helping us. That's that. The next smallest coin is a 10p. Sorry, that was a 20p before. And now we're looking at this coin, which is the 5p. And what's under here? The 2p, and that just leaves our 1p. So hopefully by now you're really confident with these coins. Now I'm going to quickly show you what we're aiming to do today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to have a value in the middle, like this is 2p, and we're going to work out what 1p more is. Now you may want to do it like this and put the coins out to help you. So that's going to be 3p, and then 2p, which we could change, and you could always do this, change it for ones, and then that's got to be just 1p there because we've got rid of one of them. Do you see what we're doing? And that basically is what you're going to be doing today. I'll just give you one more example. So if we were to put 5p there, we'd be adding a penny to make it 1p more there, so that's 6p. And we'd have to change this, we'd have to change this. Probably the safe, easiest way is to change it to ones, but we don't have to. 3. You could have also changed it to a couple of 2s and a 1. And then we know that only 1, 2, 3, 4 of those make 1p less. So we'd end up with 5p in the middle and 4p is 1 less. Now obviously you can also use number lines or number squares to help you with this. So these are the two sheets to have a go at. The first sheet is a slightly easier one because that just works with 10p's and 1p's. So it will be relatively easy for reducing and increasing. This one is a bit trickier because some of the coins, like the 2p's here, you may have to think about what they make. So if you just want to have a go at doing 1p more and 1p less, the easy way, have a go at these. If you want a bit more of a challenge, have a go at these. And don't be frightened if possible. And you've got the access to the coins to make the coins to help you. Okay? So once you've done that, your grown-ups will be able to go through that with you. And then that's the end of today's lesson, apart from a final question that I want you to talk to your grown-ups about, which is, tell Zog the best thing you've learned this week in maths. Think of the most interesting thing you've learnt about money this week. What new skill have you got? And how you might even be able to use it in real life. So that's the question Zog's asking you. I'm going to flip back to the previous sheet just in case. But don't forget to tell your grown-up and tell Zog what's the best thing you've learnt this week in maths.